Bless up people, I don't know, so be I talk to you. Now watch you now. You ever hear a saying that says, who can hear must feel? You ever hear that saying there yet? Now you have some people who decide that they want to break the rules that the government implemented to stop the spread of this virus. You see the people who choose, say they want to break the rules. You know, so they get some beaten. You know, say a man like a bad boy Trevor, when you say name bad boy Trevor, you know, say some years vaccine forget. I mean, I preach violence against another fellow Jamaican, but you know, say police them figure some years backs. And when you go jail and them lock you up in the cell, and a man in the jail say, what you coming here for? And you say, yo, me break the rules and with them implemented, you know. A man just start give some years backs too. Because a man says, so what you do? Bring it in here? I try bring it in here? You know that little cellar where we in here, try bring it in here? For kill we? You want to keep a party in this crisis, my youth? So it's like say, we no business then. Like say, we no hear we are talking, we no just have we as idiot then. So if we no have we as idiot then, we no now listen to we, where we are in the same industry, and we no now listen to the government. That means say, we no need to get some beaten then. Because we no risk other people's life. We no can't understand what go on. The government set a rule, and we just follow the rule, man. We don't have to go party now. Enough time now go dead for the party. How was so? Eh? Why was so done so illiterate? If we get a major outbreak in Jamaica, a problem, you know. So we have to say, yo, the Prime Minister work hard to contain the thing. You think people are foreign feel good for know so we can't come home today? You know me have my ticket and couldn't come home. And choose not to come home too. Because me I say, yo, you better me not go to Jamaica if me not have to, you know, because me don't want to get on a flight and be one of the person that may get infected and go spread it. So me just bill. But when me hear so the border close, me feel some farm away because me don't want to get locked out of Jamaica. And that's my neighbor string cut, man. But me bill. How was so? You keep a party? Eh? I saw you bad. Then you need some years backs. The government will just lock you up until them get rid of the virus. And the people them will go to the party for just go in a quarantine for 48 days. Just lock them down. We don't want party, go party in there, so. Well, I don't go in there, so go party. Just create one place and put them in and say, we don't go over there, so go party. We don't want music, see music, yeah. Because we not trust the process. Because we don't know how the virus, we don't know who have the virus. Because we have the capability to test everybody right now. So true, we don't know, go over there, so go party. And put them in one place. It is reported that the person that spread it in South Korea, one person, went to South Korea, went to the hospital, had a fever, they did not test her for the virus. She went to church, infected 1,200 people at one church. Went to a buffet, infected people at the buffet. 60% of the victims in South Korea, they said, is caused by this woman, one woman. So you can't learn from that. You can't learn from that. I say, you're selfish, man. She was 31 years old and she died. So this whole thing saying old people can dead from the thing is a myth. You don't see where I go on. You don't know where I go on. So just bill. Bill, man. And stop make we look like we're dunce. If the government says stay on the yard, stay on the yard. If somebody have to go get food, I want to have a large household. Just make one person go get the food. I make that person put on the protective gears them, come back, take off your clothes at the doorway. Take off your clothes at the doorway, wash yourself properly, go into the bathroom, go bathe and moisturize back yourself. You understand me? I say, stop going with an idiot, man.